Bollocks. Abby, Sonny. I'll be Sunday morning on. It's coming up to 4:45. Yeah. Bloody hell. I got a train for a nose. Oh my God. Oh, right. I'm in my last vestiges of my late spring hay fever. I'm going out for a walk soon. I think I'll get some more beer. Hello? Hello? Oh, I thought a cat friend was in the house. Hello? Holy shit. What? Hello, puss. Come in. I thought, hey, puss. Puss. Come here. Hello. How did you get in? How did you get in? Hey, puss. Yeah. All right, hang on. My God, how the hell did that? It's been in. Not... Puss. I thought I was hearing things. Hang on. A cat. Well, my friend cat. I think he wants to be left out. I don't know. He must come in through one of the windows. Amazing. What a funny world.